Hello, welcome to my new truck camper. Isn't it lovely? Just kidding, I haven't actually been inside of it, so I have no idea what this unit is. But I'm just enjoying the sunshine this morning.
A lot of them are getting big though. It's almost like you're building a Class C.
It is, and we're starting to see even online that the bigger the truck camper, I mean, the trucks can really only get so big, and there's been concern about the weight on the truck, and we've even seen some horror story pictures of cabs bending, and I don't know what the stories behind those are. And I'm assuming the manufacturers know what they're building, but at the same time, once you consider all the weight you end up storing inside of these things, that's a lot. I'm not so sure about these builds.
I will say though, truck campers in the last couple of years in particular, they've been able to pack a lot in. So you're seeing almost a Class C interior with a truck camper.
Yeah, they're huge. I mean, some of them have multiple slides. They've got full baths. They've got full beds. I mean, it's not your grandpa's truck camper, that's for sure.
What were you saying about not your grandpa's truck camper?
Yeah, nice bed. I mean, would you like to download the brochure? But I don't want to get too much back here, but these are actually quite deep cupboards, so there's actually quite a bit of storage in here, storage space. I think there's more storage in here than we had in our Class B. Decent dinette. Looks like it does move a little bit. You've got some configuration options. Nice big sink. 3-burner stove. Oh, microwave. Hey, Jessie height microwave. Oh, very tiny. Very, very tiny microwave. You might be able to get a cereal bowl in here.
Good for Jessie's height, not for the amount of food Jessie wants to heat up.
No. That would be a little bit, I don't see that it's a convection or microwave. No, but it's just a regular
you have an
microwave.
oven.
There's a separate oven. Well, that makes up for it then. So you actually you could heat up a little pizza, make a casserole. Yeah, not too bad. Actually nice overall. Oh, it's a mirror. Oh, that's fascinating. Because every good rig needs a full-length mirror, which too many of them do not have. Because us women, we like to see what we're wearing. Good size refrigerator. And for the size of this truck camper, that is a huge freezer.
Bigger than anything we're seeing in the Class Bs.
Right. You could take this off rig. You could go, hunting and put your venison right in the freezer when you're done.
And I believe this is a dry bath model too.
Oh, yes it is. Oh, wow. Here, I'll let you pop in there. That's a huge shower. It is. You could look. It's got a separate. It's not even. I mean, it's a wet bath, but it's almost dry bath. It
could be. It's classified a dry bath because you have the door.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it would be. And it could. But you could leave it open and do a wet bath. If you needed to.
Built for that.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then more storage.
Pretty good sized cabinets. Would you like a vest? Vest with purchase? I don't know. Probably not supposed to look in that cabinet, apparently.
If you were careful with the weight you packed in it, you could haul quite a bit in this and have some decent living space.
Yeah. If you weren't trying to work on the road like we are, and I don't think you would really want this for more than 2 people, other than I suppose for some short weekends, you could probably get away with. I'm guessing, I'm not 100% sure that the dinette converts to a bed, but they usually all do. This could be a decent little living area. There's a rig for everybody. So if this is your lifestyle, I think this would be a nice little truck camper. Holy cow. This is not a truck camper. This is like luxury living. Oh my goodness.
This is all inside a truck camper.
This is all inside a truck camper. There's no way. I mean, they're not kidding when it says it has 3 slides, but good golly.
Fireplace and TV and stereo are in the center. Island. Oh, there's storage.
I think that's your bath. Hello. I think there's more room in here than in some actual travel trailers.
Good sized fridge.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this is huge inside, but it is, I mean, 3 slides again, so you're talking some weight.
Check out the bathroom over here. So your toilet's kind of up on this step. A little weird, but I get it from probably how they had to configure because it's in the slide.
Not great for short people.
Oh, it's a little weird. But whoops. Then this slides. It's a dual purpose. So this makes your door so your privacy for your bathroom, but then you're in your showers here. So then this becomes an entire open shower. And there's a separate. Whew.
I am here, I'm not just a voice.
Now we're in the bathroom. So they made a bathroom space.
Yeah, this island in the center is interesting.
How are we doing, guys?
We're good.
Do you have any questions?
We're just checking this out. This is
amazing.
when it's all opened up, it's amazing. The whole center island idea with, the walk, kind of walk around idea, and the way the bathroom just...
You'd have no idea you could fit this much stuff in a truck camper.
And did you see the storage underneath?
Oh, we haven't gotten there
we'll
yet.
take a look at
I
that.
was too enthralled with the interior. Stove. Good size fridge. No oven, it looks like, right?
Nope.
It's just
Microwave.
It's 800 watts of solar on the roof.
800 watts of solar. And what was the outside storage in here?
So that's a full 8-foot wide floor, so that's at the level of your bed rails. So we can put this basement in.
So this is actually then, sliding into your truck bed.
Slightly shorter than normal because of the lithium package, because all the big lithium batteries are behind the wall there.
Oh, gotcha, okay.
And what's its water storage?
65 fresh, and 43 gray and 32 black.
Designed to be off grid. That's
Absolutely. What about concerns about weight? We've been hearing that from people lately with some of the
So
the
about
truck
50% of our owners are on a 350 or 3500 dually, and then probably about 40% on a 450, and then about 10% are doing like a cab chassis conversion of 550.
Oh.
Yeah, and Elevation Off Grid, who's over there with liquid spring suspension. A lot of our owners buy their trucks, so they buy them 20 at a time, and they make their own OEM looking bed, which is they're the only ones in the world doing that. And they put liquid spring suspension on it and stuff, so it rides like an unloaded F-150.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Because what is the weight on this?
It kind of depends how they're equipped, because folks, can do 1,000 to 1,200 pounds of options.
Oh,
So,
wow.
but with you all loaded up and everything, you're probably pushing 6,000. Yeah,
So you need a good sized truck for it.
You do.
To handle it. But
definitely do.
But the engineering and the ingenuity and what they were able to accomplish in here, that's definitely,
So yeah,
definitely not like the old truck campers.
the owners of this company grew up in RV factories because their parents started Beaver Motor Coach, which was a famous Class A diesel pusher for a long time. Yeah.
the last truck camper we looked at was huge, triple slides, lots of space inside, probably a little too much weight for a lot of people to carry. This one's a little more middle of the road. This is a Lance. This is a single slide. I really like this outside feature with this deck. It's got outside storage. It's got a nice step up inside. And once you get inside, Jesse says it's actually nice and big in here. What are you finding?
I'm finding a whole bunch of kind of random, unique things about this. For the size of it, it's actually quite large. And yes, it does have a slide, so that makes a difference. But even with just that one slide, they've built in some pretty unique features. So you can take a look at the bathroom in a second, but it's got a full tub in there. So it's a dry bath with a shower curtain, which is really nice. I was just reading about this microwave. I'm trying to understand it. So it says it's a flatbed, not a turntable. So no rattling. And I can't see it because I'm too short. But supposedly you've got the whole surface in here to work with. I have found that it's a problem in a lot of trailers that they are way above my height and makes them very unsafe without having a stool. So I prefer when the microwave is built in down here. But I understand in a truck camper, you've got to have all the space you can. But so far, some pretty good storage areas. Here, I'll give you a quick tour of the bathroom if you want to peek in there. But for a truck camper, that's a pretty nice bathroom layout. And then pretty okay steps and handle. I think you just have to watch in the middle of the night that you didn't just go plop down here. But here, let me borrow the camera for a second. And I like that this has a, well, sorry, Lance, I may have just broken your door handle. Here, let me get the camera back down. So this is supposed to be a sliding wardrobe. So when it's working properly, I think this is a nice feature because you've got pretty good size amount of storage in here, as well as to each side and in there. And that's actually really deep. It goes down quite a ways. So for the amount of space in here, your amount of storage space, I think is decent for two people. I'm short, so I'm not sure I'm one to talk about head space, but I don't think you need much. So anyways, good sized little truck camper.